Hey guys, what's up? I'm Slim and you're watching Slimothy TV. In this video, I want to quickly go over iOS 16 Developer Beta 4, which just released earlier today. All right, so the first really cool thing here, if you head into Settings, scroll down to General, and click on About, and then if you click on the iOS version, you will be able to see the release of the iOS 16.2 and then the version right there, as well as the actual release notes. So this is really cool. I'm glad Apple's doing this, so you don't have to screenshot it before you download it. You can now just come back here and see the release notes right in your settings. Now that's pretty minor, but while we're in settings, let's scroll down into display and brightness. And if you scroll all the way down to always on display for the iPhone 14 Pros and Pro Maxes, you can see they have finally fixed the typo. They spelled when correctly instead of W-E-N. Good job, Apple. Now there's not a whole lot that they changed in this Developer Beta 4, but one thing they kind of messed up was the lock screen. You can see how glitchy this is, and it feels kind of more fluid, like you can swipe and it will kind of throw the notifications, which I kind of like because you can see more of the notifications by just kind of swiping up. Just super glitchy. They have to fix that. Now some people are reporting that the YouTube rotation bug is fixed. Personally, I don't know because I never had it to begin with, so I'm not really sure what it is exactly. Some people say it's still there, some people say it's not, so go check it out for yourself. Anyone that tells you that the battery is better or the performance is better at this point is lying to you because this just came out. There's no way they would know. It'll take about a week to figure that out. So that's pretty much all that's new in this version. There's not really a whole lot going on. I wanted to keep this video short, not like the other YouTubers. They try to make their videos 8 minutes long so that they could stick another ad in the middle to make more money off of you. I'm not doing that. If you like the video, hit it with a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.